Shalom, this is Daniel John Lee with Torah Restoration Ministries. It's now the 14th day of the 8th Hebrew month. We just passed what I feel was a very significant day. Thursday, November 2nd, which was known as the 13th day of the 8th Hebrew month, was exactly 100 years to the day since the November 2nd, 1917 Balfour Declaration. If you don't know what the Balfour Declaration is, I encourage you to Google it. It's very important. But November 2nd was the 100-year anniversary of that day. Also today, November 2nd, was exactly to the day 40 days since September 23rd, 2017, which was a very important day because it was an apostate sign in the sky. It was the so-called Revelation 12 sign, but it wasn't. It was actually a foreshadow of the son of perdition, the Antichrist, being birthed. And I don't mean birth from a woman. I mean being birthed as in he's about to be here. 40 days since then now, we come to the 100-year anniversary, November 2nd, Thursday. And as I record this, it's now Thursday night here in Oregon, and we've crossed over into the 14th day of the 8th month. But I said that if I was right, if the Great Tribulation was really going to begin next Purim and go for the 3.5 years from Purim 2018 till the fall feast of 2021, that we would get an alarm, that something would happen this day that would indicate that we're to prepare ourselves. It wouldn't be something that would disrupt our lives necessarily, but it'd be something that would warn us that these next 4 months we'll see the destruction of the United States, and we'll see the temple rebuilt in Jerusalem, and we'll see all these things happen, the first 4 trumpets and the 6th seal, and all these things that have to happen before you can actually have the Great Tribulation begin at the 5th trumpet next Purim. Why do I say Purim? Well, you go to my teachings, but essentially Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Yahshua, he said, pray that your flight be not in the winter or on the Sabbath, because when it is, Great Tribulation will start. And Purim is the one feast day that happens in winter, and of course this next year actually is going to happen on a Shabbat, a weekly Shabbat. I don't expect many people to take this video seriously, but I'm going to tell you this. We got the warning today, folks. We got the alarm. Not only was there a false siren that went off right in the middle of Israel and affected most of Tel Aviv, it was a literal false siren, but today, of all days, and they could have picked yesterday, they could have picked tomorrow, they could have picked next week, but they picked today to reveal that after 2 years, 2015, 2 years of study, they emitted these special electrons into the Pyramid of Giza, and they have found a secret chamber. A secret chamber that they've never found before, a void as they're describing it, in Pyramid. And now they want to send a flying robot inside to discover what's in this chamber. What they find in this chamber, is it going to be the counterfeit Ark of the Covenant? I want you to read Acts chapter 1, verse 25. I want you to read Acts chapter 1, verse 25. And I want you to read it very, very, very carefully. Something wicked this way comes. This is Daniel John Lee with Torah Restoration Ministries, signing out.